Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1967 Chevelle SS 396 Tribute. Absolutely beautiful car here. Great little driver. We'll get into the details in a little bit, but it does have a ZZ454 crate motor in it. As I mentioned, it is a 396 Tribute. But before we get too deep into this 67 Chevelle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on a corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. Not going to go through the entire inventory here, but show you just a little bit of what we have. If you see something you might like, or you're very interested in this 67 Chevelle, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have 75 to 100 pictures of all our vehicles there with much more detail than you'll get in this YouTube video as well. Or you can give us a call at 941-355-1955, and we can answer any questions you may have. As I mentioned, we keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those will be domestic classic cars. The other 20% will be European luxury and or exotic vehicles. If you're not in Sarasota or you're not in Florida at all, don't hesitate to still give us a call if you have an interest, as we can ship any of these vehicles worldwide, so we can get you your dream car wherever you may be. Last year we shipped to over 9 countries around the world and over 19 US states. So we can certainly get you this vehicle. As you see, this 67 Chevelle with rally wheels, in red, black vinyl power top, black interior, the wood wheel, 4-speed. Go ahead and open up the hood on this. Not to use this with one hand, but we'll try to get it open here. There you go. As I mentioned, it does have a ZZ454 V8 crate motor in it. It is back to and married to a 4-speed Muncie Manual. This 454 is packing about 450 horsepower. It does have power steering, power brakes. Let's see, it has front pulley system on it. Again, nice little vehicle, good driver. Just show you it's a cold start. Grab the headers here and we'll go ahead and get it fired up so you can hear this 67 Chevelle. As I was saying, if you have finance needs, we can also take care of your finance needs. Please visit the website, Classic Cars of Sarasota. We do have a finance tab and we can help you get financed and or shipping. So we are a full-service dealership here in Sarasota, Florida. Make sure we're in neutral before we get this fired up. As I mentioned, 4-speed Muncie. Fires right up, not even press the gas. And then see the gauges, aftermarket gauges. The tack, we're just under 1,000, about 800 RPM. Again, a great little driver here. 67 Chevelles are very collectible. Big exhaust. Has that nice sound that you get on the late 60s, early 70s muscle cars. That sounds fantastic. Let it warm up a little bit before we go and rev it up, but I'll make sure you can see the paint, hear the engine. The engine sounds good and strong. We'll rev it up just a hair here. That sounds excellent. Ready to take out for date night, take the local car show or Cars and Coffee. And they were just to go have some fun in. Rev it up again a little bit here. It's about 3,000 RPM. Again, has not come up to temperature fully, so I don't want to go crazy revving it up, but I wanted to make sure everybody can hear this beautiful 1967 396 Tribute. Again, it has a ZZ454 crate motor in it. Really well done car. Again, nice little driver. Beautiful red with black power top, rally wheels. If you have an interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We appreciate you joining in. If you'd like to see future videos, please like and follow us and subscribe. Thank you very much.